guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are not in my usual spot in my bedroom, but we are actually in my balcony at the Al Vista Hotel. We are checked in for the weekend, and okay, let me show you my view at the moment. It is of course the Al volcano. So beautiful, right? Okay, so I would have wanted that to be my background, but of course it is against the light, and yeah, you would not see my face if I did that. So anyway, we are here in Tagaytay. It is nice and chilly here, and we are staying for the weekend. And yeah, today I wanted to share with you my favorites for the month of November. So yeah, I just wanted to continue this series and kind of share with you my best purchases and gifts for the month of November. So okay, so let's start first with a bag. I usually start with a bag, but this one is from Longchamp. It is actually called the Amazon bag. I recently got this from Luxe Duty Free, which is yeah, it's basically duty free in Manila, but it's all luxury items. So they recently opened and they invited me and they gifted me with this beautiful bag from Longchamp, and I got to choose the color, and it is a beautiful blush light pink bag with silver hardware, and it kind of like reminds me, the chain kind of reminds me of Chanel in the sense that you can adjust it and make it 2 straps, or you can make it 1 strap and do it crossbody. So I haven't actually used this bag yet, but I wanted to share it as one of my favorites because doesn't it look so pretty? And I wanted to do a bag review in the weeks to come when I really use this, maybe for a few weeks, so that I can give you my honest opinion about the bag. So yeah, that's how it looks. And it opens with a magnetic closure, and inside it has like a leopard kind of fabric, and you can put a lot inside actually. It is a medium-sized bag, and this is by Longchamp. This is actually made of lambskin, and it is so lightweight. Actually, the weight mainly comes from the chain, but the bag itself, I mean the leather itself, is super lightweight. So that's really one of the reasons why I got this bag and why it really called out to me. So the next item on my list is this one. It's from Becca. It is actually a shimmering skin perfector, and the color is champagne pop. I got this from Sephora when we were in Hawaii, and I just fell in love with the color. It's just a beautiful champagne shimmery powder, and I've been using it ever since. Usually when I go out at night, like I put this on the high points of my face and it just pops, which hence the name Champagne Pop. And I really love this powder. It is very small. As you know, shimmer is a really big makeup trend, so yeah, I'm just jumping on the bandwagon, but Becca is a really good brand for that. These are actually 2 MAC lipsticks, and this is from the Powder Kiss line. So MAC actually came up with a new line of lipsticks, and they're called Powder Kiss, and I think they're about 16 shades, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, the best ones are the ones I got, which is of course nude, and this one is mullet over, and it has a nice beigey kind of nude color, which I love. And the other one that I got is this one. This is Sultriness, this one, and it's kind of on the pink side, but it's still a nude color. So what makes the Powder Kiss collection different is actually it has a very velvety but matte. It has a very velvety, powdery kind of finish, which is really different from matte because this is not drying. Actually, it keeps your lips moisturized, but then it stays very dry. I don't know how to explain it, but I guess if you try it out in the store, you'll know what I mean. And when you put it on your lips, it actually feels like nothing. Like you don't feel like there's something on your lips, like something waxy or something thick, which is what I love about it. It feels like nothing, and it just has a great pop of color. This is definitely a collection that you need to check out. It is called Powder Kiss. And oh, the best part is you can actually use it for different parts of your face. You can use it as an eyeshadow for your eyes and as a blusher for your cheeks, because it has a powdery finish and it doesn't look cakey or thick on your face, and it just basically becomes a powder and you have the color. So it really works well on the skin, and that's what I love about it. It's really a fantastic product. Powder Kiss, MAC Powder Kiss. I'm not sure if I included this in my recent favorites. I think I did an unboxing before, but then, yeah, so that's why I'm including it on my favorites now. It is actually Tom Ford Neroli Portofino. I was gifted this a few months ago, and then I started using it like almost every day, and I just fell in love with the scent. It has a very lemony, citrusy scent, and I believe this is like the scent of lemons and orange blossom. So it really has like that nice citrusy fresh scent, which is perfect for everyday use. And yeah, this is like a great scent. Actually, Tom Ford has a lot of different fragrances in the same bottle. Actually, this bottle was inspired by chess pieces, which is why it looks like this, and all the bottles look the same. And I think the price is around $200 for 50 ml bottle. I'm not sure if it's more or less where you're from, but this is really a great item to buy for an everyday fragrance. The next one I actually want to try out is the vanilla one. So I'm a fan of vanilla scents, and I think just to change it up, I want like a citrusy scent and a vanilla fragrance. This one is a winner. I really love this, and I use it almost every day. So next on my list is actually an accessories case, and I've been using it a lot for my travels. This one is from Atmosphere.PH, and I love that it has a lot of compartments and a place to put your earrings, and it just keeps everything organized. I think for traveling, this is an essential, especially for me because I have a travel show and I always have to look put together, but at the same time I have to look different every single day, and accessories really help make an outfit different. So I try to bring as much as I can, and they all fit in here. And yeah, I really love it. It's easy to use. It has my name on it, KMF. It has my initials on it. You just basically tie it, and yeah, like this, and just chuck it in your luggage. It's just so easy to use. And on this note, the brand actually also sent me a checkbook holder. I always pay in checks, and my checkbook always gets kind of roughed up when they're in my bag. And yeah, this really helps me keep my things organized, and it just protects my checkbook, which is very important because, as you know, like when the pages of your check aren't as pristine, sometimes the bank doesn't accept them. So this is an essential if you use a checkbook. And yeah, I love that it's leather, and it also has my name engraved on it. So, and the color is so pretty. Okay, so the next item on my list is actually not for me, but then I use it all the time for Tristan, and this is called a YayTray. So this was sent to me from Singapore, I believe, and it was sent by the brand Eureka. So I'm gonna put it down below where you can get it. So okay, so this is like an all-in-one child feeding tray, and this is like a clean and mess-free kind of design, and it's very portable and convenient, and you can actually mix and match your utensils. So this is really so smart the way they did this, and let me show you how it works. So this is how it looks. It kind of looks like a lunchbox, right? And that's exactly what it is. You have like two locks over here that you can easily remove, and this this tray opens up like this, and on one side you have your spoon, and this is interchangeable, like the top and the base. You can interchange this, and the other side you have your fork. So there's a place for everything, which is what I love about it. And then in the middle, you can remove this. So that is like your bowl / plate where you can put your food in. So it's kind of flat, but it has a rounded base, which means you can put a lot inside. And yeah, it just basically keeps everything organized and neat and packed perfectly. And yeah, no mess. And it just keeps everything nice and neat. Just everything so organized and clean. And I love it. I absolutely love it. This is perfect for traveling and for eating out. Everything just fits neatly into this box. And I absolutely love it. Oh, and I also got this, which is a utensil pack plus. The utensils, the heads, are actually interchangeable. And this is the base, and you can change it to what you need. If you need a teaspoon, a normal spoon, a spork, or a knife, then you can easily interchange them. And yeah, that's the magic of YayTray from Eureka. And actually, when I opened this, Tristan would not let it go. And he really loves the color, and he loves holding it. He calls it his bag. I don't know why. But I think he kind of knows what it is. Like, he could see the spoon and the fork and the plate. And he's the one who really puts it all back together and then tears it apart and then opens it again and then puts it back together. So I think that's what he loves about it. And well, for me, I love that you can keep everything nice and clean and neat and organized. And it's so easy to travel with. And it's not so big. It's just like a lunchbox. And it's actually like thin. Like, you can fit it into any diaper bag. So this is perfect. Oh, and before I forget, I also got ceramic scissors, which is such an essential. And this is such an essential for traveling, especially when you need to cut up like chicken, beef, and mix it with rice. Like, I don't know if you do that also, but I always do that to Tristan's food, and it's so difficult to ask for a knife and fork and then try to do it manually. If you have scissors, it just makes everything so much easier. And it has a case, it has a cover, so you can keep everything clean and hygienic. So this is so ingenious. I absolutely love this. And this is also from Yurica, and it just matches everything. It has the same color, and everything looks so neat and cool. Okay, so next on my list of favorites is this t-shirt set from Linya-linya. And this is actually owned by Sab Magalona. And this is so cute. It says pahingi ng pahinga, which means can I have some rest, or can I ask for some rest? And that's supposed to be me as a mama. And Tristan has one too, which is a matching one, and it says pahingi ng pahinga si mama, which means can I ask for rest for my mom? That's roughly a rough translation, but yeah, it's so cute. But it doesn't fit Tristan yet, but I'll be sure to make him wear it when he grows into it. It's so cute. I can't wait to be matchy-matchy with him. And I also got this one, and it says Eat Girl. I love the t-shirts. They were designed by Sab herself, and they're so smart and quirky, and they're just perfect to wear with like a nice skirt or a pair of jeans, and it just makes it so casual and cool. So for the last item, it is actually what I'm wearing right now, which is a pajama set. This is a top with shorts, matching shorts, and this is from Eve the Label, and they put my initials on the pajama set, which makes it so much cooler. And yeah, I love the color. I love how silky it is and how comfortable it feels on my skin. And I think Eve the Label has a lot of different kinds of pajama sets to choose from. Like if you want like pants, or if you want like a robe to go with it, then they have all of that. Okay, so that's it for my favorites for the month of November. I hope you liked it, guys. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye!